A Cybertruck gets stuck in a blizzard, but luckily gets rescued by another Cybertruck. Why are Cybertrucks shit in snow and always getting stuck? Because the front and rear wheels are not synchronized to the same RPM. In a Cybertruck, both front and rear motors are always active, but the car shifts the relative power to the wheels based on torque. The front and rear motors are geared to the wheels differently, so they are never at the same RPM on snow, sand, etc. Apparently the suspension does a bad job of keeping the wheels planted. In a conventional 4x4 truck, the front and rear axles are synchronized, so all you do is feather the throttle so you don't break traction and it just walks out of deeper snow. The Cybertruck is like a truck would be if it had two engines, two throttles, and the axles were two different ratios. Absolutely shit in low traction situations like snow.